know, that's why I chose that. Why would I be invisible? Invisible होगी क्या मिलेगा? ज़्यादा ज़्यादा किसी की conversation सुन लूँगी, वो तो उनके दिमाग में भी चलेगी.
बट लाइक हेयर्स द थिंग, आई फील लाइक मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ रही हूँ.
Okay.
क्या आपको लगता है कि अगर किसी का दिमाग पढ़ लोगे आपका उनके बारे में ओपिनियन चेंज हो जाएगा?
हाँ हो सकता है कुछ.
Most definitely. And like people are, I don't know, man.
But I mean, you know, the world is full of so many lies. So I would rather know what a person is thinking, doing.
No, but I also feel like it would be very exhausting and you develop trust issues with everyone. I feel like that. It would be definitely.
But with every positive thing, na, also comes the negatives. So we'll just take it as a negative.
What if you could be invisible and just hear all the chugli going on in the world? Wouldn't that be interesting?
But I can't be everywhere at the same time, na.
That would be so weird because some people I know, na, I just know they have the juiciest gossip.
I am tempted, but no invisibility.
Okay.
Okay, would you rather never be able to use the internet again or never be able to watch TV again?
Easy peasy, never be able to watch TV again. Because
Who even watches
हमारी
TV?
घर पे ना इस तरह का डब्बा, you know, nobody watches TV क्योंकि
most people are on their mobiles and internet now.
मेरी मम्मी और पापा की ना कोई common choice नहीं है.
और आपकी उनसे भी अलग है.
Yeah, so everyone's watching reels on it. I don't know, it's like बेटा I sent you a reel. देखो. All right. Would you rather have a job you hate but be rich or a job you love but be poor?
Oh my god, it's difficult. A job I hate. Like, since I am rich,
You would.
so the job is going to be something like so much paperwork that I don't like this, है ना? But if I am poor, then let's say my job, I don't know, my job is to like tie flowers together or something.
राशि बहन हेल्प करूँ थोड़ी.
मैं तो रिच होने वाली हूँ.
You know what? ऐसा सोच कि you know you have a job you hate but you are rich,
हाँ.
which means that at some point of time you
No,
can
तो
leave
छोड़
that
दे.
job.
सेम दिमाग
क्या
छोड़ के भाग जाऊंगी.
चीज़ों में
अगली लाओ.
मैं करूँगी ही नहीं नौकरी. I just sit at home and be rich.
मिल गया हमें आंसर. Okay. Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early?
20 minutes early
Who
because
wants
I'll
to be
I'll
late?
just watch Instagram or something. I'll pass the time.
हाँ वहाँ बैठ के रील्स चल रही है.
Yeah. Would you rather be able to fly but only 5 feet off the ground or be able to run 100 km/h but get tired in 10 minutes?
Oh my god. I would fly 5 feet off the ground. It's fun.
But people will look at you weird. It's like,
So what?
ये
I
हवा
can
में उड़ते
fly.
हैं,
Can
कौन
you? Bhai, be confident. Even if you have something different, it's unique.
dude, पकड़ लेंगे लोग. Like कौन उड़ता हुआ जा रहा है? Like in this world of muggles, you cannot.
I cannot do magic. Huh?
Yeah.
Would you rather have unlimited money but no friends or be surrounded by friends but always broke?
Which is such an interesting
mean-
question.
I have my answer.
Can I be superficial?
Why do you want to be so? Come on, go on.
I could be broke but surrounded by great people, which means I'll be really happy.
So it's basically your friend pays for you.
Yeah. But I would also have unlimited money but no friends. Like, it's like two angels fighting within me. It's like, choose good people, they'll be good for you, and I was like, paisa. I don't know,
हम कितना
man.
कम हंस रहे हैं यार.
Yeah.
It's अजीब सा.
These questions are forcing me to use my brain for once. Chal, for this one, I'll go for always broke but surrounded by friends, which is my present situation.
Everyone is broke here.
Would you rather live without music or without movies?
Without movies, I barely watch movies.
Yeah, me too.
But without music, I mean, I need to have something to listen to even when I am walking, eating. Nah, without music, it is not going to work.
I agree 100%. All right.
Would you rather have no emotions or feel every emotion 10 times stronger? It's
Dude.
already like this for me. 10 times stronger.
It's like I'm already the second option.
हाँ,
मेरे को
exactly.
you know I am a very emotional person. मेरे को हर बात ना मतलब दिल पे लगती है, like अच्छे ways में भी और बुरे ways में भी. If I get happy, I get really happy. But if I get sad, I get really sad. So I feel like it would be interesting if I had no emotions. But I feel like जब आपकी emotions नहीं होते, तो जो आपके around होता है ना, वो उसको affect करता है.
हाँ,
You know,
true. सच बात
आपकी
है.
एपथी दूसरों को अफेक्ट करती है. And you know, people, they don't want to be around you if you know you cannot
You're
have
too
simple.
cold or harsh, na?
Yeah, so you know, present is better. Okay.
If you're interested, if you want to do right, what you would prefer, would you rather? Write your answers to the would you rather in the comment section.
Yeah. Comment section YouTube में और Spotify में.
Spotify में
Just mail us.
नहीं, go to the YouTube video and write your comments there.
Alright. Alright, that was fun.
Oh,
So-
and also make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, if
Follow.
you're not doing that now, I will turn invisible and I will show up in your room with a gun. Not with a I'll be invisible and I'll show up in your room. I don't know, with a gift.
Please subscribe. So many cuts. Moving on.
Alright, so last round. Rashi Behan.
Okay, so would you rather always know the truth even if it hurts or live in blissful ignorance?
So essentially the Matrix blue pill or red pill वाला question. I feel like, you know, अगर मैं ignorance में रहूँगी ना, I'll feel like an NPC. You know,
हाँ.
मेरे को ऐसा लगेगा आई एम नॉट कॉन्शियस, यू नो, मेरा दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है. आई फील लाइक मैं अंदर से जिंदा नहीं हूँ, मेरे को ऐसी फीलिंग आएगी. सो आई विल गो विद यू नो जस्ट लर्न द हार्श ट्रूथ. Alright, now my turn. Would you rather master one subject completely or have surface level knowledge of many?
A difficult one.
That is why I chose it.
I want to know so many things about each topic, but I would rather master one subject completely because it helps you, na.
You know, but
You get to grow deep. You get to learn about one thing, even if it's only one thing. I mean, no thing is singular, na. It always has branches. So even if you are learning just one subject completely, you still get to learn many things alongside that.
and it's
only.
very fun also. जितना
हाँ,
deep जाते हैं ना
जितना
किसी
deep,
में,
हाँ, उतना
you
ही
start loving.
it just gets better and better.
Yeah,
It's mine.
yeah.
Would you rather be respected but not liked, or liked but not respected? These are some
Respect.
deep ones.
Yeah, but I feel like practical बात करें ना, so it's like I would rather be respected but not liked. You know, because I feel like in the bigger grand scheme of things ना, practically सोचा जाए ना, तो इस दुनिया में you'll never be liked by everyone. But
True.
something that you can gain is respect. और वो तुम्हारे फ्यूचर में भी काम आएगी. You know,
हाँ.
it's great to have respect, but I would also like people to like me. I would not like people to hate me. Dude, that
It's
would just
like-
hurt me.
I know it would hurt you, which is why I asked this question. Because you're so sweet now. You're mostly liked by everyone. That is why I asked you this. Because it is going to give you a dilemma.
Acha, this is like out of syllabus. But do you think I'm a people pleaser?
No.
I'm not.
But I think you have many things going on.
I do.
I know you do.
I do.
You have many things going on, and you know it's fine. You're not a people pleaser, but obviously we all have our own friends now, so we want to be happy with the friends. So it's not about people, it's about friends. And
Yeah.
even I am like that I don't want to see my friends get sad or angry or disappointed, but I think that's the same with everyone. That's how relationships are built.
Yeah, that's great. So now my question. Alright, my question is, would you rather have unlimited time to achieve your goals or unlimited resources?
I would rather have unlimited resources to achieve my goals. I think when you're in a time limit now, you get more focused, है ना? आपके पास टाइम कंस्ट्रेन होगा तो आपका ध्यान यू वुड नो कि मेरे को ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, आई हैव टू रश थिंग्स, यू नो हाउ द डेडलाइन ना, हाउ द डेडलाइन हेल्प्स यू कंप्लीट द असाइनमेंट्स, इट्स द आई थिंक द एग्जैक्ट सेम एनालॉजी विद दिस.
All right.
So I would have
So like the good kind of
many.
stress, like
हाँ.
that makes you work.
that makes you work.
I would have unlimited time because like I am into everything. I like music, I like dance, but मैं सीखती कुछ भी नहीं हूँ.
हाँ, but that's the thing ना, अगर हमारे पास अनलिमिटेड टाइम होगा तो कुछ नहीं सीख पाएंगे. जैसे you know
You just be lazy.
that green app, the green bird app,
Yeah.
you have to complete one task every day, and that is what pushes us to complete
Yeah,
it.
I come at 11:55 p.m. to
just to
complete my
complete
goal.
that one task.
And you're
हाँ.
always nudging me.
Okay, stop. No promotion.
All right, we stop here.